Welcome to Sadbhavna News and I am Poonam Sharma. Fixed deposit rates for customers of large banks have been steadily declining over the past decade. It went down from about 8.2% in 2011 to 7.9% in 2014 and finally to about 5% in 2021. Thus, investing in FDs may not be beneficial, especially for customers in the 30% tax bracket, as the present effective rate becomes a mere 3.5% post-tax, said Prateek Mehta, co-founder and chief business officer, Scriptbox. Owing to weaker economic conditions further accelerated by the COVID-19 pandemic, central banks worldwide have been cutting interest rates. The high interest rate phase for FDs does not seem to be returning anytime soon, say investment experts. Thus, investors can look for alternative investment options that provide marginally higher fixed returns in such scenarios. AAA corporate FDs, which are similar to regular FDs and are offered by NBFCs, can be an alternative as they provide a rate of up to 6.5% pre-tax and 4.5% post-tax. Similarly, AAA corporate bonds can also offer up to 6% post-tax with added indexation benefits on long-term capital gains. It is important to note that deposit rate AAA highest rating are safer than those with AA or A or BBB rating. FDs in small finance banks provide a pre-tax interest rate of up to 7% on an amount of up to Rs 5 lakh per bank. The government-issued National Savings Certificate (NSCs) can offer an interest rate of around 6.8%, making them safe and beneficial investment options, said Mehta. For small savings of up to 1.5 lakh per annum, Public Provident Fund (PPF) provides varied interest rates with the current interest rate as 7.10% and these are not taxed. Mehta further said, with returns of up to 6%, guaranteed income life insurance plans can be more profitable investment bets in comparison with FDs, since these returns are not even taxable as per the current law. Besides, specific savings schemes or FDs can offer a high rate of up to 7.2% pre-tax for senior citizens. The SCSS, that is Senior Citizen Savings Scheme, offering 7.4%, and PMVVY, that is PM Vyay Vandana Yojana, are good products that senior citizens can avail. All these investment plans have different constructs and thus the suitability for each one can vary across segments of investors depending on their goals and expectations. It is essential to take help from an investment advisor before zeroing in on an investment product. Powered by Arthros Clinic, a dedicated center for arthroscopy and sports injuries.